Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to fix Superbox channels not working, including live stream TV streaming issue.
Fix 1. Restart your Superbox. Step 1. Unplug your Superbox from power. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn it on. Step 4. Try opening live TV again. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Open another app, like YouTube, to see if the internet works. Step 2. If not, restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Reconnect Superbox to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Clear app cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Live TV or Blue TV app. Step 2. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 3. Reopen the app and test the channels. Fix 4. Update the Superbox app. Step 1. Open the App Store or App Market on your Superbox. Step 2. Search for Blue TV, Blue VOD or Playback. Step 3. Update to the latest version. Fix 5. Factory reset Superbox. Step 1. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Step 2. Select Factory Data Reset. Step 3. After reboot, reconnect to Wi-Fi and reinstall the apps.